This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening both workbooks and selecting the destination cell where the link will live. Click the destination, type equals, then switch to the source workbook and click the source cell. X cell inserts a reference like Book 1 Sheet 1, A1. Once done, press Enter to create a live link. Make sure to use absolute references, $1 if you don't want the link to shift when copied. This immediate link method is fast and visible, so you know data flows from the source to your sheet. Now expand to ranges and structured data by choosing the appropriate method. If you need a contiguous range, type equals and select the whole range. For dynamic datasets, convert the source to an Excel table and reference columns by name, which preserves links as rows are added. Once done, for large or repeated links, use Power Query to import and refresh, or use Paste Special Paste Link to create multiple formulas at once. Make sure to test a few changes. In the source, finish by saving both workbooks and checking link stability. Use Data Edit links to update or change sources and confirm absolute paths if files move. If a link breaks, immediately check for renamed sheets, moved files, or changed workbook names. Correcting the path usually restores links. Make sure to use indirect only when you need formula flexibility. But remember, indirect won't resolve external links when the source workbook is closed unless you use alternatives like Power Query or open the source. One troubleshooting tip: reopen source and destination to force reconnection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.